Oh yes, in fact we have, from one strong earnings to another, Shakti Pumps is on our radar. The company posted very strong earnings. It was increased demand for solar pumps that did it for them this time around. So let's find out whether their revenues will continue to move up. Akhilesh Maru, who's the Associate Director Corporate Strategy at Shakti Pumps, joins us now. Mr. Maru, good morning and thanks for being with us on the show. I understand that the demand for solar pumps went up this time around, but can you tell us what is the prognosis for the next few quarters? Where do you see high amount of demand and what would this mean for your own business growth?
Yeah, good morning, Sonia. See, first of all, as you rightly pointed out, solar demanding is growing up. Last year, Kusum has already started, but it started at a lower pace. And this year, we are expecting every state will speed up the Kusum projects. So demand for next few quarters will be continue to grow, and maybe because of speed up of the projects, demand may be on a higher side compared to the previous years also. So when we see the targets, last year the Kusum announcement was for 1.8 lakh pumps, whereas this year already they are talking about 4 lakh pumps and tenders is already in process and probably by the month and tender may be finalized.
Okay. Akhilesh, yours is a substantial growth both on a quarter basis as well as on a year-on-year basis. What accounted for this kind of a jump in revenues, EBITDA, profit, everything?
The main ingredient of this growth is obviously our Kusum related sales, solar pumping sales to government as well as the OEMs. We have done some good growth in exports also. Last year, our exports were 120 crores. This year, we end up doing 180 crores. Plus, again, we have got one orders from Uganda government of 250 crores from the export market, which we have to supply in next 2 years.
Okay. Well, I just wanted to tell our viewers that the Kusum project is a solar pump project which has been pushed by the Ministry of Renewable Energy, and that incentivizes the use of solar pumps. Well, Akhilesh, how are things looking now? Are you dependent on government orders, or are you seeing enough rural demand because of the incidence of COVID? Are you worried that there can be a decline in demand at all?
See, there are two different factors. One, obviously, the government demand is really important, and government is already planning to start this year's Kusum project. Things are already in place, and by the month end, the tender will be finalized, and hopefully from the June first week onwards, we can start executing this Kusum projects. Now, the second point is the rural demand. I'll tell you on the agriculture side, on a rural demand side, we are also getting good growth from that area. Even though we last year also we were affected by COVID, this year also the situation is on the same, like lockdowns are going on. But if I'll just give you one small example that without subsidy solar pump last year we sold only on 18 crores and this year is just double to 35 crores. So it is not impacting much, but eventually farmers are even not getting subsidy, but still they are ready to buy at a full price.
Okay, but no, the point is not that. When you say growth in rural, can you just quantify it for us? Because what we are hearing right now is that the rural India is blowing up with COVID cases. Demand has gotten hit very badly all across, whether it's north or south. So when you say growth, can you just quantify it for us? What has the growth been so far?
See, what installation we have done last year in FY20 we did only 6,500 installations. This year we did 21,000 installation, and 21-22 we are at least expecting some 50 to 60,000 installation. That's only on EPC side, and beyond that we have our OEM business also. And as you rightly pointed out, the situation is not good in the rural areas, but somehow agriculture sector is still doing well because this area is a subsidy driven areas where farmer has to contribute only 40% and rest 30% and 30% will be given by state and central government. So once the farmer has been selected for this eligibility, on the eligibility base, they won't say no, you don't come. Okay. They will say okay, please come and install it, because this is a never ending, this is only an opportunity once for all.
Yep, got that. Akhilesh, I can see your point of view, and it's an excellent set of numbers. Looks like it will do well in the current year as well. Thank you very much.